Itinataboy nila yung mga tao because they are all coming near to me. I told them it's fine, but I cannot control them. So everybody, I officially welcome you to the land of Patans right now. Look at this. I've never seen any vlog like this before, so yeah, I'm really happy that I'm finally able to show this to everyone. Back 360 tayo, everybody. Everybody nagkakagulo na, so they're putting people na around me to protect me. Ay, pag ganitong mga kagwapo, I don't need protection. Tinutoyo na si Patan. Nai-stress na siya sa mga lumalapit sa akin, ha? Pinapalayo na niya, inaaway niya, naririnig ko na. Okay, so we're gonna go on this side where nobody's here because we're disturbing the tournament. The picture taking is here. O diba, parang ako na yung naging sentro ng tournament. Dito na sila lahat.
Your channel name?
It's Skater ito. I will
It's
give it.
Skater.
Hoy, tinan mo yung nagpapapicture. Jowain mo na sa Pinas to, dahil.